What's up, guys? How's everybody doing out there on this wonderful Wednesday? I hope you are having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, we are back. We're going to do a quick What's Up Wednesday update. All right, just a few things I want to touch on today, mid-week. All right, if you have not checked out my projects, do yourself a favor, go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Go there, check them out, see what I got going on. All right, so real quick, want to touch bases on Smart Desktop AI. I came out the other day and mentioned to you guys that the website was not working, right? We couldn't log in, couldn't do any of that, right? And now it seems to be working, but again, I've removed it from my my page because, number one, until we get the commissions, doesn't matter. That's number one, all right? Everybody that has earned need to receive their commission. So even though this is back up, I just feel like it's a smoke screen, because now you go here, okay, we're logged in, and it just keeps going on and on. Because when they made the update about mailing out the checks, that was before Labor Day, remember? And they said they were going to mail them out, I think the week before Labor Day or something. And then Labor Day came that Monday, and that would have been the week after, and no one has still gotten paid. Okay, so just all these updates is just, to me, it's just a smoke screen. So here they put another update in here. Now check it out. See, it makes no sense, because you said you already mailed the USA checks out. But they're saying here, we are finishing up the final steps of merging payment information, pending commissions, and the dashboard. That was already done because USA checks were already mailed. If you've already submitted your information, we have it. If there was any delay in your payment being sent out, we're currently processing it. That was supposed to already be done. If people have given you their information prior to Labor Day, refunds will be sent out via physical checks. Commissions will be sent out as follows. They've already said that. Now they're saying here, USA payments over $500 will be via ACH. Delivery expected by Friday noon Eastern. If we don't have your ACH details, a physical check will be sent. USA payments under $500, physical checks will be sent out today and tomorrow morning, with delivery expected by Friday noon Eastern time. How do you know when checks are going to be received? There is no time frame, and I know they're not mailing them priority, right? Then they say wise payments. Payments will be sent out Friday morning, and you will receive them by Friday Eastern. That's for all the international folks, right? We will provide forms Thursday. Here they go with these forms again. Thursday a.m. to update your USA mailing address, your ACH info, wise payment address, and non-wise country crypto wallet address. For non-USA, non-wise supported countries, we will send USDT to your provided crypto wallet address on Friday morning. You will be able to continue updating your payment and mailing information. We will also introduce a support feature for messaging in the dashboard this week. Additionally, we will release more information about Smart Desktop AI on Friday and how you can use it in your marketing campaigns and third-party app development. All that sounds great. It sounds cute. But for me, I'm not speaking for anybody else, until I receive that commission, it doesn't matter what features they bring out, what they do. Okay? Because what was in my dashboard, that's what I expect. If I don't get that, Doesn't matter because it's not on my website anymore. But until I get that, I'm not thinking about promoting any of this. All right. So let's be clear. Now, I will keep updating you guys on what information they're bringing. But far as, you know, if they bring this out and start talking about how you can promote it, until folks get paid, I get paid, there's no promotions. All right. So that's Smart Desktop AI info. Yeah, and now you can see it's back up. But this is, if you had submitted your information before Labor Day, here we're on what? Today is the 18th. So for those of us that submitted this information the week before, I think it was that Friday, it was way before, because they asked us to submit it by that Friday, and then Labor Day came in, right? So we should have gotten those if they were going to mail them. All right, that's that. Moving right along. Now, on to the next. PACA. I mentioned to you guys that I wanted to shout out, and I kept saying Steve. Steve, I was looking at my Telegram, and there's a person named Steve right under Scott. So I kept calling him Steve. But Scott, the investor, one of the co-owners of PACA, made sure I received, I had a stake that was missing in the transition of them migrating from 8-bit to the PACA platform. And I never did get it. It didn't move over. And that was great. So I commend him on that. Shout out to him for that. I had filled out the form, and it didn't happen. So anyway, once I reached out to him personally, explained the information, boom, he made it happen. So I just want to shout out to the PACA team and Scott over there, Scott the investor. All right. So we do have it. It was just a $25 stake. Doesn't matter the value of it, because what if it was $2,500, right? And it didn't come over. The point of the matter is the principle, and that team was Scott, the investor, made sure it got added back in here. Okay, so I want to shout him out for that. So we're back. We've got our 4 stakes in here. Now, when it was 8-bit, I withdrew twice. I got 2 withdrawals, 50 USDT in rewards, right? So I've already gotten 50 of this back. And now what we got here, anything in your balance right here, like it says, it's claimable funds. You can actually claim it, but it has to be 25 minimum. See right here, it says 25 minimum. You can compound once it reaches 20. I think this time I'm going to compound, so because I've already withdrawn, I want to compound this and just see how it works, because this is the new platform. When it was 8-bit, it was a different platform. So with this one, PACA, it's 250-day stake. The way it works over here, USDT on the Binance blockchain is 0.33% per day. That's about 9.9% a month is what we're getting here. But this is crypto, so make sure you're using risk capital. But I'm just showing you what has happened here, and to let you know all is well. So this is just earning on its own, but we're going to compound this when it reaches 20, and we'll probably just add more to this now. I like this platform because we can't invite folks to stable swap because they're private now, right? So this is one you may want to check out. This is staking, okay? Staking pools. So go check it out. But yeah, that's the update. All right. So we have our 4 stakes here, and we're just letting this thing ride out. All right. Thank you, Scott. All right. Now, also, guys, let's move out of this. Hang on a second here. Another quick update I have here is LiveGood. Okay, I don't know if I mentioned this over the weekend, but LiveGood is going to have what they call a traffic co-op, guys. I really like what they've got going on over there. If you have not checked out LiveGood, guys, and you're looking to start a online business, all right, this will be a good one to get in. It's only $50 to get in this thing, become an affiliate, and have your $9.99 membership so that you can purchase wholesale. Okay, this is good. This is a good health and wellness company. I really like what they got going on here. There we go. I had to get my screen together. So they talked about this on Friday. I don't think I covered this part, but they're going to have a traffic co-op, and they're going to have funnels for every product that they have, guys. This is good stuff. Like, this is a funnel right here for the marketing side, for the affiliate side, right? They're going to be changing all this stuff up, but they're going to have it where you can buy traffic via LiveGood. And they're testing it right now because they want to make sure that we're not getting bots and fake traffic. All right. But we're going to be able to buy this traffic and get in their traffic co-op. I want to say, if I recall, like maybe the first week in October or something like that, that's going to be coming. So that's exciting news, because the way they have it now, they don't allow you to, like, this is one of the funnels, right? They don't allow you to send traffic here. Okay, you would have to set up another marketing system, and then that captures the information, then lead folks over here, because they know there's a lot of fake systems out there that's bots. It's just sending trash into the system, and they don't want to congest their system. So that is prohibited at this time. So they're going to provide a traffic source. I think that's amazing that they select so that they know it's good. All right. So that's going to be coming out in October. I want to say the first week, but sometime in October here. Very, very soon. All right. So I think that's great. But if you're looking for an opportunity in the health and wellness industry, I really, really like LiveGood. And I've been in several health and wellness companies. I like that you don't have to be on auto ship. It's not required. Okay, you don't even have to buy a product to even earn with LiveGood, and that's unheard of in this space. Typically, you have to be on auto ship. You have to maintain it, and in order to earn commissions, it's just a game changer the way that LiveGood has flipped the script on that. All right. So great way to get started for only $50, and that way you can be an affiliate, and you have your membership so that you can get your products at a discount. See, that's the other thing. Most other health and wellness companies, you have to sell the products, all right, to earn commissions from the sale of the products. Over here, we're selling memberships. Okay, the membership is only $9.95, and then become an affiliate. And you earn, with those two combined, $50, you earn $25, and they pay out every week. You can even join LiveGood with crypto. You can get paid in crypto, or you can just do it the traditional way, with a debit card or credit card. So they are very aware that crypto is here. So they give us that option to be able to actually sign up in crypto and earn crypto. So this is another way to earn crypto as well. All right, so LiveGood. Definitely love LiveGood. All right, that's that update. Now, let's get to tonight. iCoinPro, they have a presentation overview. All right, a webinar, if you will, at 9 o'clock tonight. So if you have not checked out iCoinPro, you can get a free boot camp, guys. Doesn't cost you a dime, and they will show you how to trade, okay, for free, okay, with the boot camp before you even pay a dime. So go check it out at coffeeandcoins.info. Everything I'm talking about is at coffeeandcoins.info. Tonight at 9 o'clock, go check this out. They're having a major announcement tonight. So tune in to see what that's all about. All right, not sure what it's going to be, but I'm going to be there to check it out. All right, iCoinPro. All right, guys, that's the updates. Just wanted to give you those quick little snippets. So if you haven't checked out my programs, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. We've got a little bit of crypto. We've got digital products if you're interested in earning instant pay instantly, all right, directly to you. We have those programs. We have offline programs that I've talked about before for folks that want to mail postcards, flyers, things of that nature. All right, so we got you covered. So go check it out. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.